Hello, today we are going to discuss the challenges in implementing privacy by design in software development. First of all, let's see what are the challenges in the privacy by design. Privacy by design is a proactive approach to embedding privacy into the design and architecture of the software systems. It means that when we are incorporating privacy measures and data protection into the design and development of the systems, or products from very beginning rather than addressing their privacy concerns after their deployment. It's a proactive and as well as preventive approach to ensure users' privacy is a core feature. The second thing is align with General Data Regulation and Protection GDPR, California Consumer Privacy Act CCPA, and US Health Insurance Probability and Accountability Act HIPAA regulations to safeguard users' data. Today, this presentation questions. Okay, let's talk about what is privacy by design. Privacy by design integrate privacy considerations at every stage of the development. Means if we are trying to develop a software and infrastructure at every point, every stage of the infrastructure of that software, if, if it start in between or at ending, the privacy concern is on the top priority. Key principles: proactive means anticipate and prevent privacy risks before they occur. Second one is embedded. It means that privacy is built into the system by default, not added later. And the third one is end-to-end security. In end-to-end security ensures that data protection throughout its life cycle, from collection to deletion. Uh, Here we have an example of a healthcare app that encrypt patient data to meet HIPAA compliance. That in simple words, the data of the patient that has been recorded into the database of that app is not visible to all the users, only is available to that admins who have their permissions regarding that. Next, we have importance of privacy by design. Builds user trust and enhance the reputation. Obviously, when the organization have privacy in their systems, they can enhance the trust of the users, minimize risk of breaches and legal challenges. Next, we have challenges in implementing privacy by design. Means when we are trying to develop a software at the implementation level, what are the challenges we face at that time? Very basic is lack of awareness. Few developers trained in privacy standards. We have lack of awareness of the privacy regarding the developers. Very little amount as compared to the normal developers. We have a little amount of their developers that know about the privacy concerns in the privacy by design. Then second one is integration complexity. Legacy systems are hard to adopt. Now we are moving on UEFI systems that are okay with the privacy by design implementations, but if we go about fourth generation and backward after that, the hardware is too difficult to adopt the privacy by design options. So this is a big challenge for implementing the privacy by design. Balancing usability and privacy. Organization can balance the usability and privacy of the data. As I have previously mentioned, the example of the healthcare app that encrypts the user's data uh, for their usage, and it's different from the user and admin sides. Limited budgets. Budget is obviously a major concern in privacy. Small businesses often lack resources. If we lack the resources, the security must be compromised, the privacy must be compromised. Evolving regulations to standardize the privacy. Here are the name of them. Sorry, GDPR, CCPA, and local law required to contest the. updates. Next, we have a case study GDPR compliance. Uh, First of all, we have a problem that Facebook faced challenges in redesigning for GDPR. Uh, it's mean that when Facebook tried to redesign the software, redesign the infrastructure, they faces the challenges for the GDPR conversion, their standards to meet the requirement. Then solution. We have solutions, several solutions after that. First of all, we have informed content consent. Platform ensure clearly understood how their data was being collected and used, transparent policies, and easy to understand concept for the empowered users to make informed choices about their privacy. Second one, we have privacy dashboards. Obviously, interactive dashboards were introduced, allowing users to control their privacy settings. As we can see, the multiple options in the dashboard of the Facebook regarding their privacy, how we can manage our privacies. The third one is data minimization. Platform limited collection of personal data to what was strictly necessary to their services. Like if we talk about the databases, we collect the every every database data stored that was compulsory we even store. But if we talk about the privacy concerns, if we implement that privacy into the that organization, we just store the limited data, the data we have concern with, we only store that data. Okay, the outcome, avoid fines. Obviously, there are multiple chances of the fines in US when we lack the privacy, when we disobey the rules and regulations set by their states. So it's obviously avoid from fines, build users trust. Obviously, when privacy is high, it build users trust and improve the compliance. Next, we have the solutions to overcome these challenges. Regular training. Provide the regular workshops on GDPR, HIPAA, and privacy standards. Then we have collaboration. Include privacy experts in the development team so they can train the other developers about the PBD. Uh, we use some tools like employee framework, privacy by design, that discover and classify, enforce data policies, and also monitor and protect data. Then we have allocate resources. An organization must allocate the resources to the privacy by design teams and the budget as well, because budget is a major concern in the privacy. Feature of the privacy by design. First of all, we have AI and blockchain will redefine privacy by design. If we talk about AI enables automated privacy risk detection and adaptive data protection, ensuring compliance and dynamically at the scale level. And if we talk about blockchain, decentralized data storage, and immutable records, enhancing transparency and user control over the personal information. Together, they align with the privacy by design's principle by embedding privacy features more efficiently and securely into the systems. Global global regulation will demand stricter compliance. Obviously, regulations are high to meet the requirement as per the uh, law enforced. Then we have ethical AI and responsible data use will gain prominence. And then we have emerging trend in privacy by design. First of all, privacy engineering. There are multiple tools for privacy preserving machine learning. And then we have blockchain for transparent and secure data sharing. And last one is PaaS, privacy as a service. Platforms are gaining traction. Future technology for real-time privacy monitoring tools like Nmap for scanning, and then we have federated learning AI models without sharing the private data for decentralized privacy protections. At last, we have quantum encryption for ultimate data security that provide unbreakable code and real-time detection of eavesdropping. Eavesdropping is secretly listening someone conversation without their actual permission. Okay. At the last, we have a conclusion that privacy is a foundation for ethical software development. And the second one is companies must prioritize their privacy, gain long term trust, and the success. Okay. Thank you very much.